Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Celebrating the Last 10 Days of the Year. And here I am at the Dollar Tree showing you all of their Valentine's Day stuff. Most of it is already out in this store, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what they have. Come on with me, guys. Now, the host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, and The Robin's Nest by Terry. Now make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what we did for the last 10 days of the year. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as we walk through the stores. I show you all of the Valentine's Day decor. I am just loving it. Now the Dollar Tree is stepping up their game, guys, and I cannot tell you, between the gnomes, between the hearts with the wooden beads, between all of the signs, none of them look the same. I am just so excited I can be in this store all day. Now this is probably a good time for me to mention that I do have a second channel and it's called Simply Grace Lifestyle. I would love for you to head on over there and support me. Haven't been out very long, but I could use your support, guys. So yes, I have to say that some of the signs did come back from last year, but look at the new ones. I cannot believe them. They are so, so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.